Okay, now it's the last video I made today. So, actually, this question is pretty simple. It's easy to understand. So let's quickly go through this one. You are given a head of a linked list, which contains a series of integers separated by zero. The beginning and the end of the linked list, we have the node that value equal to zero. So for every two consecutive geo, merge owner node lie in between a name into a single node whose value is the sum of the merged node. The modify needs to not contain any node. Okay. So you can see an example. So you see the color no. The color no mean they're not which not equal to zero, right? So it's 3, 1. So we just merge no with 3 plus 1. We got the first no is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So we need to create a new no with the 4. And here we need to skip the 0. And the 4, 5, 2, we need to merge 4, 5, 2 no, which we got the sum of the 11 right here. So here pretty simple. So here I just create, and here let me okay, now quickly go through this one. Example 0 with 3 and the 1 and the 0 0, right? In the 5, no matter here what is the value, it doesn't matter. So we don't need to consider this one. So we know the final result. So from why how to do this one. So first I will create a dummy node -1 and connect to the linked list. And then we will check the next node equal to 0 or not. If yes, if now we have point here, and we have new node. The new node it also start from -1. It doesn't matter what is the value here. So you can assign any value to the first node, and then what is the next node? So we need to merge node, uh, uh, because each node should not be 0, right? So here now we have condition. Condition point to we need to check next node. If next node equal to 0, which means okay, we don't need to do anything. We just move the pointer. We just move pointer point to 0. Now we we point the point to 0. No. Now we need to check next node. Oh, okay. We know next node is not 0. Okay. Now we need to merge. So we don't know how many no with not 0 value. So we don't know, right? So that matter maybe 2, 4, 5, maybe just 1. I don't need to care about this one. So now we know this node is not value. So we just we just create a node to store the 3. Okay, 3. Now we know we point to here. Now we need to check next one equal to no equal to 0 or not. If not, right? So we just add 1 to the 3. Okay, 4. Okay, now we check this one. Move to next node. We know it's 0, right? We need to start here. Stop adding the value to the current node. Actually, here also have one pointer. So we had 2 pointer. One pointer point to this list. Point to this list. Now current node we point to 0. Now here we point to 4. Now we just check the next. We know it's 0, right? So here we need to start. Start here. Now we key the processing here. So we check next node equal to 0 now. We know it's not, right? So here we need to create a new node. It's 5. And check next node. Okay, it's not equal to 0. So we know it's added to the sum, added to the value. And now we check next No. Okay, it's 0. Okay, we need to start here. So each time we encounter no with 0, so we mean which mean we need to start and one to the current node. Yeah, until we encounter non 0, so we need to create one more node to store to sum up on the merge node. And it's pretty simple to understand, right? And how to implement. And then I'll show you the code. And then before starting here, I would say this question is not uh, popular and a frequent question now. Here, 2 year only Microsoft ask this. So maybe you don't need to understand this one. Now here you can see I create a current node and it start from -1 and I assign the head to the current next. Now here we have rest because what's the rest mean? Because we need to return result, right? Now current you can see here if we current next 1 equal to 0, so we just go to next node. Otherwise, we know if we execute this part, so which means the current next value not equal to 0. Okay, now we need to create a node. And we here I use the while loop because maybe we need to merge 2 nodes, maybe merge 4 nodes. We don't know how many nodes there, right? In the between 0 node. So here we need to use a while loop and then we just add the current value to the node, and then here's pointer point to next node until next node equal to 0. Okay, we need to break this while loop, and then we assign this node to the result, and then we also need to point to the result. Also need to point to next node, and then when we reach out the end our linked list. So which means we need to return the entire list, the new list for 11, right? Now let's submit it. Okay, you can see I pass on the test case. The time complexity is just B of n because I just only go through the linked list one more, so one time. And then space, I would say because I create one more linked list. So I would say it's B of n. In the worst case, B of n. So thank you for watching this video.